Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal and I am an artist. I am art director at Art Explorer Academy. So hope you will enjoy today's session. Let's start.
Today's session is Tiger Conservation Day. So this International Tiger Conservation Day is celebrated on 29 July because the population of the tiger is reducing day by day and people are killing tiger for their own use. So that's why tigers are being reduced, and after a few years the population of the tiger will be zero. So there will be no tiger left on the earth. So we should preserve tiger because tigers are also part of a food chain. They are also the animals, right? So nobody should kill the animals for their own personal use, right? So this day is celebrated to make the awareness about the tigers. Okay, so we should preserve our tigers. Okay, so let's start the session. So we will make a tiger cub. So this is the tiger cub we are going to make. This one. So we will make a graph first. So we'll make a rectangle like this.
Ma'am, speaking about this, drawing reminds me of my assembly on 29th of July, which is our National Tiger Day.
Yes. So I'm preparing you for that only, so that you can show this drawing to your ma'am in your class. Okay. So this is the drawing, and we have to make a square of 11 by 11 centimeter. Okay. So we will make a square of 11 by 11 centimeter like this. So leave some space up and leave some space down.
Got it, living
I'm making a 11 centimeter line here.
Ma'am, how to do the tile come now only? Ma'am, how many sides should we do it the down?
Yes.
Ma'am, how many sides should we do it the down?
Just see how I am doing it. I took a line, vertical line of 11 centimeter. Now I am taking
Sometimes your video is
a line of 11 centimeter horizontal.
Ma'am, your video is
problem. So
Ma'am, how many?
Please make a square of 11 centimeter.
Ma'am, once we draw one.
Make a 11 by 11 centimeter square, and then make a line in the center. So which is 5.5 from here. Okay, 5.5 from here and 5.5 from the top. Make a point and join this. Good afternoon. Join these lines. So now this is 11 by 11 centimeter square. Okay, and in between the center I have made a line like this. So you have to leave 5.5 here and 5.5 on this side and make a point, and then make a point here with 5.5 centimeter and join these 2 points and make a line. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
So now we will make 2 centimeter point at 2 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Please make a mark quickly, otherwise you will forget what to do. So keep your scale in the center, make a mark at 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter.
Ma'am, should we make a mark on 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter, right ma'am? Ma'am, can you tell once again?
No. Please listen. 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, and then 9 centimeter,
4 centimeter and 6 centimeter.
And then 9 centimeter and 10. Okay. So
Ma'am, what should we do in the middle one? Light, ma'am, not dark. Ma'am, I can't see you.
Yeah. So now you can just draw the line like this. So just draw the line.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the centimeters? How many centimeters?
Just now I have told why you were not listening.
Ma'am,
Please concentrate and listen when I am talking, okay? If you will not listen, then you will have lots of doubts and you will not be able to complete your drawing in time. So please listen, okay? So now I am joining all these and making the vertical lines on these points. I'm repeating it again. I took a square of 11 by 11 centimeter and I made a line, and then repeating it again. Please listen carefully. If somebody
centimeter.
okay, I took a square of 11 by 11 centimeter and then I made a point at 5.5 centimeter in the center of the bottom line, and I made a point 5.5 centimeter in the top line. Then I have joined these two lines, and then I made a point at 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9 and 10 centimeter. Okay. So after this, from here, I just measured the 5.5 centimeter. A line I have made like this on this line, so which is 5.5 centimeter marking. Okay, so from there I will make the forehead of the tiger. So this is the tiger's head. Okay, and from here now I will join the ears to the corner, and then I give a curve and I bring the ears till the 4 centimeter line. So similarly on the other side, I'll join it at the corner and I will give a curve and I'll bring the ears at the 4 centimeter line. Okay, so this is ears are done and the forehead is also done. So now I will make the eyes from 4 to 6 centimeter. Okay, so just below this point, I will make a circle like this, and just below this point you have to make a circle just below the point. Okay, I made a circle like this, and from here I made a curve like this. Yeah, and then from here I will bring the curve down and I will join little up than the 9 centimeter mark like this. Okay, so this is the mouth of the tiger. So you need to see that the curve is same on both the sides because our face is symmetrical. So it should be same on both the sides. So this is how we'll make the curve. Okay. So on the other side also I'll correct it a little bit. I'll make it a little more round. Okay, so this is the, so from here we will make the nose. So I'll just make a little triangular kind of thing, and on top of that I'll just make a semi-oval shape. Okay, so this is the nose. Yeah. So this is done. And now we will make the face. Okay. So I'll just make a more circle inside the eye. Like this. And then I'll make a big circle inside the eye like this. So eyes are done. So now I'll make the mouth and then we will move on to the. So from half of this, I will just turn. Okay. So the mouth is ready. So now I'll make the tongue. So this is the tongue. Okay. So now from here, we will make the cheeks. So line of the cheek should come till here. Okay, the curve of the cheek should come here. So it will go outside and it will come here. And then from outside, it will take a curve. Yeah, so from here, it will just now we will make the chin. Okay, so the chin is like this. So it's like a U. Yeah. So from here, we will make the lines. So this is the design in the tiger's body. And we will make a hand. So we will just continue the body from here, extend the body, and then make a okay. So here is the hand of the tiger will come. So this is a finger line. And the tiger is holding on to a human finger. Okay. So now we'll make the hand of the tiger. So hand will come here like this, and we will make a round from here. So this line is little round. So now we will make the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. So one hand of the tiger is ready now. So now we'll make the another hand of the tiger starting from this finger. So it will come like this, and then so you can make the same thing. So you can just make a round and then continue and then just make the fingers here. 1, 2, 3, then 4, and this is 5. Okay. So both the hands of the tigers are ready now. So we can make another finger over here, because the tiger is holding the finger of a person. So this is another finger. Just give a little slanting line over here, so that, because the finger is little bit bent. So I'm making the nail over there and some wrinkles for the finger. Okay. So now both the hands and both the fingers are ready. So we will just extend the body from here, and we will make it like this and a curve like this. Okay. So the tiger is ready now. So we can erase the construction lines. Okay. So I'll be erasing these construction lines. Okay. So I took a square of 11 by 11 centimeters. So all these 4 lines are 11 centimeters. And after that, I just made a line in the center. So that means 5.5 centimeter this side and 5.5 centimeter this side. So after making this line, I just make the measurement of 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9, 10. So I'm just writing it over here again for the reference, so that you guys can see it. Okay. So this is 11 centimeter in total. So I just made a line at 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then 9 and 10, and this is definitely 11, right?
Ma'am, 2, 4, 6, 9, 10 and 11.
Yes. Okay, so you can take a photo of this if you want, and you can continue after that. So I made a line, and after that, from here, I just took a distance of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so half this side, half this side. So this was 5.5 centimeter. And then I made a forehead, and from the forehead, I joined the ears on both the edges. And then from this 4 to 6 centimeter, I made a circle just below this point. Okay, and this circle. So inside that, I made 2 more circles. So from there, I just made the cheeks like this. So this is coming to the nose. So this was 9 centimeter. So it was just touching, and it just going little up than the 9. Okay. From here, I joined both the curves, and then I made the nose like this. So it's like a 3 from this side, and this is reverse 3. Okay. So from there, I made the this lips and tongue. So this is the lip, and this is the tongue of the tiger. Okay. So this is between 10 and 11. Okay. So this is between 10 and 11. So after that, the ears, I joined the cheek line, and I made the chin. Similarly, the same thing I have repeated here, and then I joined the lines for the eyes. And then from there, I extended the body, and I made the hand like this, and this is the bottom part of the hand.
Use simple pencil or 2B pencil.
Please remove your hand from the screen.
You can take a screenshot, beta, and you can continue. Drawing is available in the group icon. So you can refer to the drawing
I'm only
also.
taking the screenshot only.
Okay, okay, okay. So after that, I made the finger and thumb, this nails, and I made the another this paw. and then I made a finger and I joined the body from here like this. Okay.
Ma'am,
So now I'm going to remove the construction. They
Including tiger, they all are big cats.
yeah. So they all look similar. Okay.
ma'am, can you wait 5 minutes? I'm going to finish. I have to only do one hand.
You can complete. You can complete. I'm erasing the construction line, and after that I will do the shading.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, ma'am, please do not erase the construction lines.
I'm erasing the construction line, and after that I will continue. Please mute and concentrate on your work. Try to complete it.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I erase the
Everybody is making
line?
Ma'am, please remove your.
Just cracking.
Please erase the construction lines.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is your number 988096148?
Yes. Yes. This is my number.
Ma'am, I have sent a photo to you.
Okay. Thank you. I check it. Okay. Now we continue and we will do the shading now. Okay. So drawing is ready. So we will just do the.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes. Show the drawing again.
I'm not drawing again. I have erased the construction lines. So that's why now I'm just correcting.
You're going to make more stripes because tigers have many stripes.
Yes, yes. I'm making the stripes now. Okay. So now I'll make the stripes. I will take
earbuds पड़े हैं?
I will please take your
Earbuds.
10B pencil.
Earbuds. दे दो.
Please mute.
Ma'am, please wait.
Please mute.
Ma'am,
Take
can
your-
I use a black color pencil instead of a black
Yes,
Ten.
yes.
Ten.
You can use.
Ma'am,
Definitely.
your tiger is looking so cute.
Ma'am, can we use a sketch pen?
You can use sketch pen. You can use pencil color, whatever you like to use. I am using shading pencil. Okay, so I am using the dark pencil now, 10B pencil, and I'm just outlining the tiger, and then I will make the stripe. Okay, so please try to hurry up. Let's try to finish it off and make a beautiful tiger and cutie.
Ma'am, I am not coloring.
Okay, so now I will just make the line of the ear. Okay, like this, and then I'll just make a line over here. Just outline the whole tiger quickly with your dark pencil.
Please wait for 5. Ma'am, please move a sheet down.
Yeah, this is fine. Our little tiger cub is under construction, and once it is ready, it's going to look beautiful. So we just need
Ma'am,
to.
this is my drawing.
I will see it afterwards. Please send the picture or upload it on the Facebook. So now you know how to upload it with the name, age, and state. I'm just.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
Ma'am, my tiger is hungry.
Okay.
Ma'am, video is blur.
It will be fine after 5 minutes. Have patience.
And we have to outline all with the black pencil.
Yes. You need to erase the construction line before outlining so that there is no. Okay, erase the construction line and then outline it quickly, and then we are going to make the
Ma'am, I finished shading, ma'am.
very good. You are very advanced. You know everything. Okay. So now I'm making the stripes on the body like this. Thin stripes you have to make. Two, and then so make the stripes like this and fill the color in the stripes. So here I am making the small stripes.
তুমি দেখা নাই চোৱা তুমি ভালকে চোৱা পিকচাৰটো চোৱা
আঙুলিটো দিছে কিন্তু এইখিনি দিয়া নাছিল আঙুলিটো এইবাৰ আস্তান
I'm just doubling this line. And now I'm making the small spots on the fingers, small and thin. Okay. So, and here as well, I'm making the stripes.
Ma'am, tigers do not have stripes.
Yeah, they have stripes. So these are small stripes. Okay.
Ma'am, this is small stripes because this is a small tiger.
Yeah, it's a tiger cub. So his body is small.
Ma'am, it is a cub, so it must have small stripes. The big tiger has a very big stripe. Ma'am, can we draw
Yes.
Ma'am, can we
Not crying. Not crying.
I can't hear you. Your voice
And
is
what you
low.
have made that downwards to that finger?
Which finger? This one. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the body. Rest of the body. See, we have not shown the complete body, right? So this is the back part of the body.
Ma'am,
So I'm
ma'am, this is Shravya. Can we draw the stripes wherever we want?
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So we will just fill up all the stripes. So I'm just filling the stripes, and then on the face, I will make more stripes, and then we will move on to the shading. Okay, so I'm just quickly filling up the stripes. And if you will see after the stripes, it immediately will start looking like very beautiful. Okay, so fill up all the stripes, whatever we have made with your black pencil color or 10B pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are using the pencil color, then also you can use the black pencil color. And if you are not having any 2B pencil, then you can use your yellow yellow color pencil color. Okay.
Ma'am, for the dark outlining, we have to take the 10B pencil, na?
Yes, 10B pencil or black pencil color. Both are okay. Okay, so the body stripes are done.
Ma'am, can you tell how to mix the stripes?
Yeah, I will make it in the face, then you can see. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll show you how to make the this is nothing. These are just the zigzag lines. Thin and long. Okay. So I'll make few hair also. So long and thin.
Ma'am, see my tiger.
And if it's
You
done,
can see
please move your
I'm
hand.
not seeing anybody's tiger right now. So from here, we will make a line, stripes. You can see the
Ma'am,
stripes.
ma'am, can you please wait?
Beta, you can complete it, okay? So you know the procedure now because the tiger drawing is done. So stripes, so you know how to make the stripes now. Okay, they are thin and long.
Ma'am, can you take your hand? I'm making the stripes.
These are just the zigzag lines. So you can draw it anywhere. So there is no hard and fast rule that it has to be like this only. Okay. So you can draw as per your choice wherever you like to do. Okay. So now this is done. So I will just.
Ma'am, if it's done, please remove your hand from the screen.
1 second. So I'm just
Because
doubling
I
the line.
want to take the screenshot of the tiger.
But a picture is there in the group icon. So you can see the picture from there. In the WhatsApp group icon, picture is there.
Ma'am, your tiger look very, very cute.
Thank you.
Ma'am, your tiger looks very, very beautiful.
Thank you. I hope your tiger also look beautiful. And if you will do the work patiently and carefully, you are definitely going to make a good drawing.
Ma'am, the 10 piece
Ma'am, tomorrow any class is there?
No class tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, na?
Yes, tomorrow is Monday and Monday we don't have any class. So we'll
Yeah.
have the class on next Saturday.
Yeah. So I have calligraphy.
and also on Sunday.
If you guys are interested in brush pen calligraphy, then you can join. Okay, that is a paid class.
Ma'am, when ma'am? Free class, right? When? Ma'am, best pen is a free class.
Yes.
Ma'am, best pen is a free class. Ma'am, calligraphy class is a free class. Ma'am, this is
Not a paintbrush, it's a pen.
Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am, do
you
my
know
tiger? Ma'am, my tiger looks like a cat. Ma'am, do you know Malayalam?
No, I don't know Malayalam. I know Hindi, English, and Punjabi.
Ma'am, I know only Tamil and English.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
know
I
three:
know
Kannada, Hindi,
Hindi and English.
Please
Ma'am, I
see
know
how I am
Malayalam.
doing. Please see
Ma'am,
how I am
where
doing
are
the
you
town.
from?
Okay, please try to see and try to do it.
Ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Haryana, but I am settled in Bangalore now from 17, 18.
Yes, ma'am, it was a long time ago.
Yeah.
And that was long time ago you met me in here in Haryana.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am
Yeah.
also in Haryana.
So sad you moved
I
now
know, I
to
know.
Bangalore.
Yeah. So please make 2 stripes here.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Can you look at my tiger once?
I will see. Just give me 5 minutes. We need to finish this drawing. Then I will check for everybody.
Ma'am,
Please concentrate.
won't we color orange color in the tiger?
No. This is sketching and shading workshop. So I'm just doing only the sketching, pencil sketching. So you can color as per your choice. Okay. So I'm making few stripes here. I made a line in the center, broken line, and then I'm just making few hairs in the forehead like this. Okay. And then I'll be making few stripes. So this is just going little up. So this is also just going little up. Okay. And this is going little down as well. So our drawing is almost complete. So
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Ma'am, your drawing is beautiful. Ma'am, this is Shravya. Your drawing is very, very, Ma'am, your drawing is very, very beautiful.
Okay, Ji, okay, thank you.
The last free class.
So little bit of shading is left. Let's try to complete it because time is going to be over. Okay. So
Ma'am, is this the last free class?
later I will let you know. Okay.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. I'm using the earbud to make. I'm trying to make the shading with the earbud, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Those marks which you putting here, God. Ma'am, those marks which you're putting from those eyes, like they're scars. Like
Yeah.
lion
So I
scars.
will just
It will like be the mark of evil.
fill in this.
Ma'am, my drawing is ready.
Okay. You are super fast. I'm still completing. So I am making the stripes here just above the hand in the body and like this. Okay. So now I'm just doing the shading in the ear. So this one also I'll make a stripe over here. One over here.
Then my drawing is complete.
Very good, very good. So I'll just make a little bit of eyebrow kind of thing. So very little light. Okay.
Ma'am, my drawing is complete.
Okay, good, good. So
Ma'am, my drawing is complete.
okay, very good.
Ma'am, my drawing is complete. Ma'am, see my
Okay.
drawing.
Look how I'm making the ears. Please concentrate. Okay. So I'm giving the strokes like this. Little round strokes from outside to inside. And on this side as well. Just giving the round strokes.
Ma'am, you have not outlined the tail.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have not outlined the tail.
Yeah, I have not outlined it. So this is done. And now I'm making the strokes over here. So these are also kind of stripes.
Ma'am, we have to outline or not?
You can outline, no problem. You can outline this area. So that's okay. So look, I did the outline.
But I mistakenly draw stripes at the ears.
Yeah, so we have to draw it like this. So little dark on the edges. And okay, so this is done. So, and little spots in the nose as well. Right? So now I will do the shading with the, this line has to be little bit of dark.
Then my drawing is ready.
Okay, she is left there. So I will just take my 2B pencil. Take your 2B pencil. And we will do. Yeah, 1 second. Huh? So after this, we will just do the shading here and there, little bit of. Okay, just below the stripes or just above the stripes, we will add. So you have to keep your pencil on 30-degree angle. Okay. So little bit of shading in the nose and tongue, and little bit on the forehead with the 2B pencil. Okay, like this. Very
Ma'am,
light.
I have
Very
not
good.
2B pencil.
That's
Ma'am, I have
okay. So
not
you can do the same. You can do the same thing with your HB pencil also. Okay, you can try to.
No?
You can leave it like that
Ma'am, can
also. Your choice. Your choice. So I'm just doing little shading. Your choice. If you want to do it, please do it. If you don't want to do it, it's absolutely fine. Okay.
And can we do the background?
Yes, you can do the background. You can show your creativity. You're free to show your creativity. Please don't forget to send your pictures. I would love to see your pictures. All the beautiful creations you're making. They look so wonderful. And
I send you which number?
yes. I saw yours, Webber. So it was very beautiful. Very beautiful. Lovely. Okay. So this is a...
Ma'am, did you see Vidhi Agarwal's drawing?
Yes, I saw everybody's drawing. I saw.
Ma'am, how was it?
Ma'am, did you see J.K. Wilder's drawing? Can you see my drawing? I'm Ritvik.
Please try to complete your drawing. I will see afterwards. Okay. So I'm just doing the shading. I'm left with
my
only little
drawing.
shading.
Ma'am, please see my drawing.
1 second, beta. I need to complete this. Let me do the shading little bit. Okay. So this is our tiger is ready. So with the earbuds, you can just blend the shading. Okay. Or if you have some cloth, rough cloth like this, so you can take a rough cloth and then you can just smudge it. Okay.
But
So
ma'am,
don't do it on the
pencil color has not any oil. So
yeah,
it do
it is
not
having
blend.
graphite. No, these are graphite pencils. They will blend. You can see the effect over here. See? Can you see?
Ma'am, mine is not blending.
Better you take a cloth, otherwise you take a earbuds and you can just slowly go over the areas where you have applied the 2B pencil and just blend it like.
Ma'am, why is blending?
It will blend. It will. Why it will not blend? It's blending for me. Why?
This is Shravya. Ma'am, I use pencil color, so it is blending.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. My tiger is ready.
Yeah, even mine is also ready.
Ma'am,
Very
mine
good.
is finished. Ma'am, this is Shravya. Can you see it? I think it looks like a very fat cup.
It's not. Yeah.
But I think it looks good.
Don't you think he's cute?
Oh.
So you need to
And yours are looking very cute.
little bit of shading you need to give in the eyes as well. Just on the top, not at the bottom. Okay. Like this. And just blend it. Yeah. So our laptop is ready. You can write over here on the top. World Tiger Conservation Day. Okay.
Ma'am, if
And we can also write International Tigers Day.
Tiger Conservation Day. Yes, Tiger Day also you can write. International Tiger Day is also absolutely fine. Okay. So this was our today's drawing. And it's
we can write
Thank you,
tiger.
ma'am.
Shading, can we color it?
yes, you can color it with
Thank
the
you,
pencil color.
ma'am.
Totally up to you. So it's absolutely fine.
Bye. Hope you have enjoyed the session. See you in the next class.